on this channel. So today we are going to create a video. Our topic is basically how we can create a response file using IIM installation manager to install WebSphere application server 8.5. Okay, so the what is the purpose, right, to create response file? So using response file we can do the installation of the OS in silent mode. Let's suppose we have 100 of the server. So in 100 of server we have to install OS, right? So it become difficult for as an admin to go each and every server to copy binary and to install manually each and every stuff, right? So what we do, we can create response file and parallelly we can execute that response file, right? So it will install bash. So this is the command. Okay, so I will show how we can execute this. So for what is the first step, right? So go to IIM location and launch IIM. Second step is to add WAS package repository. Okay, execute command to install WAS. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, OPT IBM installation manager Eclipse. Okay, then now we are in the path here our IIM is installed. So let's launch IBM IIM. Okay, and but here what we are to do, we are going to create repository file. So we are not going to do actual installation, we are just going to create a response file. So we have to specify skip install. Okay, let me copy this command. So it will skip the installation. This is the directory record and the name of the file. We can change name as per requirement. Let's suppose was okay. Was 8.5 response file and a okay. So this is a response file. So let me enter. So now IIM is starting. So now we have to add WAS package repository. Second step. So go to preferences. Okay, that is already added. Let me remove it and add browse. So we can go desktop package as ND8.5 and repository.config. So we have added it. Test connection. All the selected repositories are connected. Okay. Now click OK. Now this is the option to install. Click over here. Now select this. So it is saying this package is already installed. Okay, continue. Here see top of IBM installation, skip install and recording. Okay, so it is just recording, not going to install WAS. Click next and accept license and package group name, installation directory. Okay, and click next, and here we can select the feature which we are going to install. Let's suppose we are going to install sample application, WebSphere Liberty application setup profile. Okay, now click next, and now we will see total download size is 0.0 KB because we are not going to do an actual installation. That's why it is showing download and installation size is 0 KB. So let me click to install. Now see, it is an installation has been complete. Finish. Now click exit. Now we see this file in this location. See, 301. So this file has been created. Okay, so this response file has been created. Let's see. So see, shared location path, repository location, installation location, right? And these are the offering which we are going to install. We have selected sample application, we have selected Liberty, so these are the feature, right? So now our response file has been created. Now we can do the installation from this response file. So in next video I will show how we can install WAS, because this way we can create a response file. Okay, so and we can later if you want to change this, we can change this, we can change manually this path. Okay, but our format has been created for a response file, right? So this way we can create a response file. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and please subscribe this channel for more interesting video in upcoming